subscribing my channel. Today we discuss another topic in algebra. So our first question, if 7 power a equal 8 power b equal 56 power c, then find the value of c. See, 7 power a equal 8 power b equal 56 power c equal kc. 7 power a equal k, then 7 equal k power 1 by a. 8 power b equal k, then 8 equal k power 1 by b. 56 power c equal k, then 56 equal k power 1 by c. 7 into 8 equal 56. 7 will k power 1 by a, k power 1 by b equal k power 1 by c. K power 1 by a base same, so 1 by a here into, so plus 1 by b equal 1 by c. So b plus a by ab equal 1 by c. C value is ab by a plus b. So answer is ab by a plus b. Normally we solve this problem in this way, but now we solve this problem logically. See, 7 into 8 equal 56. 7 power 1, 8 power 1, 56 power 1. 7 power a equal 8 power b equal 56 power c. See, 1 by a. Here into, so we use plus. Once here divide, then we use minus. 8 power 1, 1 by b equal 1 by c. So b plus a by ab equal 1 by c. C equal ab by a plus b. So answer is ab by a plus b. Second question, if 5 power a equal 4 power b equal 100, then find 2 by a plus 1 by b. 2 by a. 5 power 5 into 4 equal 5 square. 5 square 25 into 4 100. 100 means 10 square. Here 10 square. So power 2, power 1, power 2. 2 by a. So we use, here into we use plus, power 1 by b equal 2 by 2. So 2 by 2, 1. 2 by a plus 1 by b value is 1. So answer is b. Next, third question, if 2 power a equal 3 power b equal 12 power c, then find the value of c into a plus 2b by ab. See here, 2 into 3, 12, 4 into 3, so 2 square into 3 equal 12. Power 2, power 1, power 1. So 2 by a here into plus 1 by b equal 1 by c. So 2b plus a by ab equal 1 by c. So c into a plus 2b by ab equal 1. So answer is a, 1. Next, fourth question, if 2 power x equal 3 power y equal 72 power z, then find the value of 4xy by 2x plus 3y. 2 into 3, for 72, 2 cube 3 square, 8 into 9, 72 power 1. So 3 by x plus 2 by y equal 1 by z. 3y plus 2x by xy equal 1 by z. 3y plus 2x xy equal z. So we want 4xy, so multiply with both sides 4. So answer is 4z a. Next, fifth question. If 14 power a equal 36 power b equal 84 power c, ABC does not belongs to 0. Then find 6b into 1 by c minus 1 by a. See, 14, 84. 14, 6 ja 84. But here 36. 36 we write as 6 square. Square power b. 2b. 6 power 2b. Power 1. Power 1. So 1 by a plus 1 by 2b equal 1 by c. Then 1 by c minus 1 by a. So 1 by c minus 1 by a equal 1 by 2b. Multiply with 2b. 2b into 1 by c minus 1 by a equal 1. We want 6b, so multiply with 3 both sides. Answer is 3. Next, sixth one. If x power a equal y power b equal z power c, x square equal yz, then ab plus bc plus ca by bc value. So x square equal y into z. X square. So 2 by a equal 1 by b plus 1 by c. 2 by a equal c plus b by b c. Then 2 equal ac plus ab by bc. See, AC plus AB. AC plus AB. Value is 2BC. 2BC plus BC. 3BC. 3BC by BC. Value is 3. So answer is B. Next, seventh one. If 3 power A equal 27 power B equal 81 power C and ABC equal 144, then find 12 into 1 by A plus 1 by 2B plus 1 by 5C. 3 power A, 27 is 3 cube. So 3 power 3B equal 3 power 4C. ABC value is 144. See, bases are equal. So A equal 3B equal 4C. B equal A by 3. C value is A by 4. A by 4. Okay. A, B, C equal 144. A into B value is A by 3. C value is A by 4 equal 144. A cube by 12 equal 144 is 12 square. So A cube is 12 cube. A value 12. A value 12. Then B value 12 by 3. 3 4s are. C value 12 by 4. 3. So 12 into 1 by A value is 12 plus 1 by 2 into B value is 4, 8 plus 1 by 5 into C value is 3, 15. So LCM is 120. 10 plus 15 plus 8, 12. 12 10s are 33 by 10. So answer is C. Next, eighth one. If A power x equal B power y equal C power z, B cube equal A square into C power 4, then find 1 by x plus 2 by z. See, B cube equal A square into C power 4. 3 by B power 3. 3 by y equal 2 by a power x plus 4 by c power z. 2 by x plus 4 by z. We want 1 by x plus 2 by z. So multiply with both sides into 1 by 2. So 1 by x plus 2 by z equal 3 by 2 y. 3 by 2 value is 1.5 by y. So answer is A. Next question. If 3.7 power x equal 0.037 power y equal 1 4 times 4 zeros, then find 1 by x minus 1 by y. Here 10 power 4. 3.7 here 0.037 3737. So 3.7 by 0.037. 3.7 37 by 10. 37 by 1000. So 100. So equal 100 means 10 square. Power 1 equal 10 power 2. See 1 by 3.71. Here x. Here divide. So we use minus 1 by y equal 2 by 4. So 1 by x minus 1 by y equal 1 by 2. So answer is A. Next, if 2.9 power x equal 0.029 power y equal 1000. 1000 means 10 cube. Then find x minus y plus xy by 3 into y minus x plus xy. 2.9 by 0.029. Value is 100. 100 means 10 square. Power 1, power 1, power 2. So 1 by x divide. So we use minus 1 by y equal 2 by 3. Y minus x by xy equal 2 by 3. So 3 into y minus x equal to xy. See, 3 into y minus x value is 2xy. So 2xy plus xy, 3xy. X minus y. See, x minus y minus of. So 2 x minus y, 2xy minus value by 3 plus xy. So minus 2xy plus 3xy, xy by 3 into 3, 9xy. So answer is 1 by 9. A. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. And also press the bell icon for instant notification whenever I upload the video.